to change Facebook page name on a laptop or PC. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for facebook.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this profile icon and then select your Facebook page. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this profile icon. And then after that, it will show us our Facebook page wall. In here, we'll have to go to the left part of the screen and then tap on the settings option. After that, we'll have to go to this audience and visibility. Under that, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this page setup option. In here, you will now see this option name. All we need to do is to go to the right part and then tap on this view option. And then after that, we'll have to tap on this edit option. And then in here, we can now change our Facebook page name. Keep in mind that once you change your Facebook page name, you can only change it again after 60 days. So as an example, I'm going to change mine to Learn with Angel. After that, we'll have to tap on this review change option. And then in here, we'll have to input our password. After that, tap on this request change option to completely change your Facebook page name. So that's how easy you can change Facebook page name on a laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!